This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates and bowls, specifically these Midori palm plates and bowls. They're made from palm leaves, so they're a great eco-friendly option if you're looking for disposables, whether that's for your cafe or an event. And there's some great different size options here. In the square bowls, we have the large 6.5 inch and the smaller 5.5 inch. In the square plates, we have the extra large 10.5 inch, which is fantastic for entrees, think dinners, any kind of thing like that. And we have the large 8 inch, great, that's a luncheon plate, salad, any kind of appetizer like that. And then finally, the medium 6 inch. Now this is a perfect size if you're doing little pasta apps, if you want something for dessert or any other kind of smaller dish, if you're doing a catered function. And then finally, we have the great little rectangle. This one is 6.25 by 4.75 and makes a nice little size for small apps, single serving portions. If you're doing things like maybe tapas, or you want some small items to put out on a small tray, go in between the place settings for guests, like maybe if you're putting out anything like spreads, butters, any kind of little accompaniments. Those are a nice size as well. So these are great kind of all natural plates that are made from palm leaves. They're both biodegradable and commercially compostable. They're grease resistant and they're actually microwave safe, making them a great option for all kinds of foods, both hot and cold, and all kinds of establishments and events. So the bowls themselves feature nice little raised edges on the sides. So if you're serving a hot soup to guests, they don't have to grab it on the side. They can actually grab that rim, which is a great little feature. And they're going to be fantastic for things like food trucks or stalls, fast casual restaurants that are looking for quick cleanup, right? If it's disposable, you don't have to wash any dishes. So they're fantastic to put out alongside buffets and to use at catered events. They're also great if you're looking for something environmentally friendly for, say, the office break room and you want to stock disposable options for your employees, or if you're just doing parties at home or any entertaining, or let's face it, sometimes weeknight dinner, it's just great to use disposable plates. And if you don't want to use paper and you're looking, or plastic, and you're looking for that more environmentally friendly option for your family, this is a great one to have.